Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Mini Cooper antenna base. First, gather your essential tools: a trim removal tool, a small wrench, and your new antenna base. It's also a good idea to place a soft cloth around the antenna area to protect your car's paint. Having the right replacement part is crucial for a smooth installation. Now, let's remove the old antenna base. Inside your Mini Cooper, gently pry off the interior trim panel closest to the antenna. This will expose the antenna's mounting point. Next, locate and disconnect the electrical connector. Finally, use your wrench to carefully unscrew the retaining nut that holds the old antenna base in place. With the old base removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new antenna base into the opening on your roof. Thread the retaining nut onto the base from the inside of the car, then tighten it securely with your wrench. Don't over-tighten, but ensure it's snug. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector. You're almost done. Carefully reattach the interior trim panel, making sure it snaps firmly into place. Double-check that all connections are secure and that the new antenna base sits flush on your Mini Cooper's roof. The last step is to test your radio reception to confirm everything is working perfectly. Enjoy your refreshed antenna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.